we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of GarveeHome Inverter Portable Air Conditioner 14,000 BTU with hose. Consists of the following features. Cooling and heating. This inverter portable air conditioner features a potent OSHRI rating of 14,000 BTU, 9,800 BTU SACC standard, and 10,000 BTU heating capacity. And cools or heats a room up to 750 square feet with a temperature range of 64 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. It is ideal for hot summer or cold winter or any room with poor ventilation. Suitable for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. 4-in-1 function portable AC unit. This portable AC unit is designed with strong functions. Cooling, heating, 3 fan speeds give you control over your comfort, self-evaporate system, sleep mode, low noise, 42 decibels, 24-hour timer, auto restart, waterfall indicator. Built-in powerful dehumidifier removes up to 78.5 pints per day, dries your space quickly. Smart remote control. This smart inverter portable air conditioner is equipped with a 24-hour programmable timer and an adjustable thermostat, 64 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, for easy control through the LED panel and a convenient remote control. It also features a Follow Me function for smart temperature control and includes thermal overload protection for enhanced safety and peace of mind. These are energy-efficient modes help save money while providing a relaxing and restful environment during the summer. Easy to move. This small inverter air conditioner with 4 360 degrees wheels and 2 handles, allowing you to move easily from room to room. You have the flexibility to put this portable mobile inverter air conditioner anywhere in your bedroom, apartment, office, living room, RV, and garage to enjoy cool comfort anytime, anywhere. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.